एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल द रियल इंग्लिश क्लासेस। द रियल इंग्लिश क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे इन दिस वीडियो वी विल रीड द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द लेसन पोएट्स एंड पैनकेक. It's two parts we have already done in our previous video. So here is the content of third part of the lesson. Gemini Studio was the favorite haunt of poets like S.D.S. Yogir, Sanghu Subramaniam, Krishna Shastri and Harindranath Chattopadhyay. The picture of Chattopadhyay is shown here. So these were some poets who often visited Gemini Studio because it was their favorite haunt. Haunt means a place which is often visited. So the Gemini Studio had a mess which supplied coffee during the whole day as well as some parts of the night also. Those were the days when Congress rule meant prohibition and meeting over a cup of coffee was rather satisfying entertainment. So prohibition means it is a law which doesn't allow the selling and purchasing of alcoholic drinks, that is prohibition. So in those days the Congress was in power and meeting over a cup of coffee was rather satisfying entertainment. तो जो लिकर था उसके ऊपर तो बैन था, मदिरा पान के ऊपर बैन था, इस करके लोग जो थे वो कॉफ़ी के साथ मीटिंग करना उसको ही अपना एक सेटिस्फाइंग एंटरटेनमेंट समझते थे, मनोरंजन समझते थे. बारिंग द ऑफिस बॉयज एंड ए कपल ऑफ क्लर्क्स. सो बारिंग मीन एक्सेप्ट फॉर, को छोड़कर, के सिवाय. एक तो ऑफिस बॉय हो गया और साथ में कुछ एक क्लर्क, उनको छोड़कर एवरीबॉडी एल्स एट द स्टूडियोज रेडिएटेड लेजर. रेडिएटेड मीन showed clearly. So everybody showed some leisure time except office boys and clerks. And this leisure time was a precondition for poetry. Prerequisite mean precondition. Most of them wore khadi and worshipped Gandhiji. So most of the poets, they worshipped Gandhiji at that time and they wore khadi dress. But beyond that they had not the faintest appreciation for political thought of any kind. What they were not interested in political terms, political issues. It means they avoid politics. They were all averse to the term communism. So communism से वे नफरत करते थे. Averse mean strong dislike, घृणा, नफरत. Communism is an economic system in which the distribution of the property is controlled by the government. That is communism. हिंदी में इसको साम्यवाद कहेंगे. तो उससे वो घृणा करते थे. They had strong dislike to the term communism. A communist was a godless man. They thought that a communist person is a godless man. Who is a communist person? Who believes in communism. He is a godless man. It means he doesn't believe in God's existence. He had no filial or conjugal love. Filial mean related to the children and conjugal mean related to the married life. So they don't show affection towards such things, that is filial love towards children as well as to married life. He had no compunction about killing his own parents or his children. So he had no hesitation even to kill his own parents. The person who is a communist, he had no hesitation to kill his own parents or even his own children. He was always out to cause and spread unrest and violence among innocent and ignorant people. So innocent mean decent and ignorant mean अज्ञानी. Innocent हो गए बोले वाले और violence mean अहिंसा. So they always spread होता है फैलाना. So they always become the cause of spreading violence among the innocent and ignorant people. Such notion which prevailed everywhere else in South India at the time also naturally floated about vaguely among the khadi-clad poets of Gemini Studio. So the notion mean idea. So this idea was prevailing mean it was in trend everywhere else in South India at that time also. So naturally floated about vaguely among the khadi-clad poets of Gemini Studio. So the communism, it was prevailing at that time. So it was understood that it was also clearly visible among the Gemini studio people, so naturally floated about Begli. Begli mean clearly, स्पष्ट रूप से. So it was clearly seen among the poets of Gemini studio who wore khadi. Khadi clad mean khadi dress. Clad mean dress, cloth. Evidence of it was soon forthcoming. Forthcoming mean incoming. इसका जो प्रमाण था, प्रूफ जो था, एविडेंस मीन प्रूफ, दैट वाज कमिंग सून, वो बहुत जल्दी आगे आने वाला था. When Frank Buchman's moral rearmament army, some 200 strong, 200 strong mean 200 people, जब फ्रैंक बचमैन मोरल रीआर्मामेंट आर्मी, जिसमें कि 200 लोग थे, who visited Madras sometime in 1952, they couldn't have found a warmer host in India than the Gemini studio. It means they were greeted by the Gemini studio. They got warm welcome there. So Gemini studio was the good host in India at that time. So we can say that Gemini studio was only the place where they can stay. They mean moral rearmament army. They were greeted by Gemini studio. It was a good place for them. Someone called the group an international circus. तो इसको तो किसी ने इंटरनेशनल सर्कस का नाम दे दिया. किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking about the moral rearmament army. They weren't very good on the trapeze. वो ट्रैपेज में अच्छे नहीं थे. No, what is trapeze? Trapeze is shown here. ये जो सर्कस मैन जो यूज करते हैं झूला झूलने के लिए, उसको ट्रैपेज कहते हैं. जो 2 रस्सियों के साथ एक रॉड के साथ बांध कर लटकाया था, जिसमें जो सर्कस मैन है दे मूव फ्रीली, दे स्विंग फ्रीली. So this is trapeze. And their acquaintance with animals was only at the dinner table. It means they were not familiar with the animals. Their familiarity with the animal was only restricted to the dining table. What does this statement show? It means that we often see circus men with the animals, but these people, that is moral rearmament army, they don't have the knowledge of animals. But they presented to play in most professional manner. But this group, moral rearmament army, they presented 2 plays in a professional manner. बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से इन्होंने 2 नाटक जो थे प्रस्तुत किए. Their Jotham Valley, this was very famous play made by them, and The Forgotten Factor ran several shows in Madras and along with other citizens of the city. The Gemini studio, the Gemini family of 600 saw the plays over and over again. So these 2 plays, Jotham Valley and Forgotten Factor, are made by the moral rearmament army. They were performed in such a way that they attract the attention of the people of Gemini studio also. So Gemini family of 600 people, they saw these play again and again. And its shows were also run in Madras. The message of the plays were usually plain and simple homilies. तो ये जो plays जो थे Jotham Valley और Forgotten Factor, इनका जो message था that was quite simple and plain. But the sets and costumes were first rate. Homilies किसको कहेंगे? Homilies mean उपदेश. परंतु इसका जो सेट थी, but the sets mean the stage, and the costumes mean कपड़े जो थे, they were of first rate. First rate mean of very good quality. So the Madras and Tamil drama community, they were highly impressed by the performance of these 2 plays. So they copied the scene of sunrise and sunset in their plays in the manner of Jotham Valley. तो उसके बाद जो मद्रास और तमिल ड्रामा बनाने वाली जो कम्युनिटी थी, उसने जो भी प्ले बनाए, उन्होंने इसकी कॉपी की. जोथम वैली का जो सनराइज एंड सनसेट सीन था, उसकी कॉपी की. सो दिस क्वेश्चन कैन अपीयर्स इन द एग्जामिनेशन दैट व्हाट वाज द special quality, what was the speciality of Jotham Valley and Forgotten Factor play made by the Moral Rearmament Army. So then you can write that they had a sunrise and sunset scene which attracted the attention of most of the people at that time. With a bare stage, a white background curtain and tune played on the flute. It added beauty to the play. It was some years later that I learned that the MRA was a kind of counter movement to international communism, and the big bosses of Madras, like Mr. Vasan, simply played into their hands. After some time, the Gemini studio knew that this moral rearmament army was a kind of counter movement to international communism. So they were against communism. We knew it later. ये चीज़ बाद में जानी कि वो इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिज्म के खिलाफ एक काउंटर मीन ऑपोजिट इट वाज अ मूवमेंट वो एक मूवमेंट थी एंड बिग बॉसेस ऑफ मद्रास लाइक मिस्टर वासन हु वाज मिस्टर वासन ही वाज द बॉस ऑफ Gemini studio so he was simply puppet into their hands simply played into their hands it means he was puppet into their hands वो उसके इशारों पर काम करने वाला I am not sure, however, that this was indeed the case for the unchangeable aspects of these big bosses and their enterprises remain the same. Enterprises mean business. So, the arrival of this model rearmament army and their movement, it didn't bring any change in the behavior of big bosses like Basan and even in their business also. They remained unchanged. There was no change in their behavior as well as in their business. MRA or no MRA, international communism or no international communism. So the arrival of these people in Gemini studio, they brought no change in the behavior of big bosses like Basan and their profit and their business was remain unchanged. They were not affected by their movement. So we can say that they were not affected by their movement. The staff of Gemini studio had a nice time hosting 200 people of all hues and size. Of all hues mean of all colors and sizes of at least 20 nationalities. So the Moral Rearmament Army, that is MRA, who visited there, they were people of 20 different nationalities of different color and sizes and Gemini studio they enjoyed to host them. Gemini studio ने उनका मेजबानी करना बहुत उसका आनंद लिया. It was such a change from the usual collection of crowd players waiting to be slapped with thick layer of makeup by office boy in the makeup department. अब ये जो crowd होती थी वो ऑफिस बॉय के द्वारा उनका मेकअप किया जाता था तो उनमें भी बदलाव देखने को मिला. देयर वाज आल्सो ए चेंज व्हिच वी फाउंड इन द क्राउड प्लेयर्स. A few months later, the telephone lines of the big bosses of Madras burst and once again we at Gemini studio cleared a whole shooting stage to welcome another visitor. After some time, the telephone lines of the big bosses were again busy and once again we at Gemini studio cleared a whole shooting stage to welcome another visitor. So after MRA group, another group was coming there and they had to clear the stage for their arrival to welcome them. They had to clear the shooting stage to host them, to host a new group again. So this finishes your third part of the lesson. Next part of the lesson will be done in next video. So keep watching and sharing my videos, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then subscribe it right now to get all my latest videos. Thank you.